Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to automate SSH connections to Cisco devices using Netmiko. All right, so I'm going to try to explain this code line by line so we understand each line. Okay, so let me start. So this line, this is where we are importing Netmiko, and specifically we are importing these classes. So connect handler to handle the SSH connection in this case, Netmiko timeout exception to handle the timeout error, and Netmiko authentication exception to handle any authentication related errors. Okay, and here we have a list called devices, and inside this list we have two dictionaries. So this one is representing this device, Cisco XR, and it's got this host name, right? And the other one is the Cisco NXOS, and its host name is this, username and password. Okay, and we have a for loop. So the syntax is for. This is a variable, so you can name this whatever you want. So I named that device just to represent each of the devices. And in, so this is a list, devices, right? And here we have a try except block. So inside the try block, we have a print statement, and we are basically saying this string. So this is a F string. So for each device, this will be either this device or this device, right? And here we are creating a con object or connection object, and here we are unpacking the dictionary or each dictionary. So the dictionary is these two, right? Two dictionaries. And here we have, we are calling the send command method on the con object, connection object, and we are passing in this Cisco command, show IP interface brief. And we are storing the output of this command into a variable called output. And we have a print statement here. So we are basically going to print the output in the console. And we disconnect the connection. And here, this is a except block. So this is a way to handle multiple exceptions. So one is timeout exception, and the other one is authentication exception. So E, this is a variable, and if any of these occurs, we basically say connection fade for either of these devices here, right? Because the output of this expression here is one of those devices, and E. So it could be this one, the output of this class, or the output of this class. And here, this is to handle any other exceptions. So same, either of the devices, and E is just a variable. Okay, let me go ahead and run this script now. So this should work because I already tested this. Okay, so one device worked, which is the XR device. You can see here. So this particular message is because of this, right? So connecting to, so again, the output of this expression is one of the devices. That's why we see this host name. We see the other device, which is the NXOS device. So this one with the host, which is this, right? And this is the output of the show version. All right, so that's how you can use Netmiko to automate SSH connections to Cisco devices or the sandbox Cisco devices. And if you want to try this yourself, I will put this script in the description of this video. And this is the actual link of each device. So we can see that this is from the DevNet sandbox. All right, so that's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.